caught up writing blame on blank pages.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are presenting our CSHARP project and let's see how it is done. So this is our login panel. So our today topic is student management system and this is our login system, and here we have username and password which must be matched, so that if these two will match then we go to next page. So if our password didn't match then it will get error. So let's see. Here I have entered wrong password, so we get a pop-up message, sorry, given information is not correct. So let's enter our correct password. So after submitting that, we get our main panel, and here we have three categories: student panel, parent panel, and about panel. And we have also search button here. So let's move to our student panel, and here we have attributes like add, modify, and delete. So we already have lots of data here, you can see that. So let's add one data. Let's have ID number 2353 and name Visakha Pradhan and gender female, address Kopan, and our contact number. Let's take. So let's enter her email. Here you can see that if this will not be in format, then this will pop up this error sign, exclamation sign. So let's enter it in format. So let's enter faculty. So let's add it. So this data is saved. You can see this in our data list. This Visakha Pradhan having ID number 2353 is added. So if we wanna edit it, then we can also edit it. So let's change. Visakha's. Let's edit Visakha's data. Let's update it. So this record is finally updated, and you can see this. Let's delete one data. So let's back to our main menu. So now let's see about our parent, and we also have attributes like add, modify, delete, same like in student panel. So let's take one student ID number which we have added 2353. So let's add her parents' detail. If we entered the ID number which we have not in our student panel, then it will pop up error message. Student ID does not exist. So let's put having ID number. So let's save it. Finally it is saved, and you can see here. So let's edit her parents' detail. Let's update it. So the data is updated, you can see here. So let's delete one parent data 1028. Finally it is deleted. Let's back to our main panel. So let's see what who there are in our project and in about application. It deals with adding, editing, searching and deleting student records. And about it is developed by Sandhya Fuyal, Himsika Bandari, Bisakha Pradhan and Sakshi Nakarni. So let's search one student ID. So here you can see that Bisakha's details in one side and parents detail in one side. Thank you.